I wanted to test how easy it is to deploy an application in 2025. So I tried it on 3 platforms, Heroku, Render and Kuberns. Spoiler, only one of them worked and I did not expect the result. I started with Heroku. It's been around for years and it's backed by Salesforce, so I expected it to be solid. I went to Heroku.com and clicked Get Started. The onboarding asked for my name, email, company and region, all the standard stuff. After signing up, I had to verify my email. Then it asked me to set a password, pick my role, job title and company size. Now I have to log in again. Next was setting up multi-factor authentication. Kind of an overkill at this point, but it's fine. Then came the deal breaker for me. You can't even enter the dashboard or deploy anything unless you add a credit card, which is not suitable for me. There is no free tier anymore. You have to pay to start, and if you're a student, hobbyist or just testing things out, this is a hard stop. Next, I moved on to Render. It's more modern and it has free tier, so I had higher hopes. I signed up using my email and password. No credit card needed, which was great. Then it asked me what I was building, new project or existing. I chose starting a new project. I filled in my name and continued. Pretty smooth so far. Then you have to pick what you want to deploy. Web service, static site, background worker, database, etc. It's a bit confusing if you're deploying an app with multiple services, as there is no smart detection here. I chose web service, connected my GitHub and selected the repo. Then it asked me to manually enter the language, region, build command and start command. First issue, India isn't listed as a region, which could cause some latency issues if you are based here. Second, you have to know your exact build and start commands. Render doesn't help you much here. It tried to autofill a gun icon, your app, WGI command, but my app isn't using Django, it's Flask. I continued anyway, then it got stuck. The logs showed command not found, so yeah, wrong command and it failed. No suggestion, no fix, just a failed deployment, and I'm stuck here for a long time. At this point, I spent out 20 minutes and still didn't have a working app, so I gave Kuberns a try. I went to Kuberns.com, clicked deploy for free and signed in with Google. It asked me for my name and what best describes me. Then I connected my GitHub and selected the same Flask repo and chose my branch. I used main. Gave my service a name, selected a region and yes, India was available. Chose the free tier plan. Then you can add your environment variables, either you can type them or upload a .env file. And that's it. No build command, no start command, no Docker file. I hit deploy and watched the live logs. Kuberns figured out it was his Flask app, set the right defaults automatically and built it without any issues. In less than a minute, it was live. Once it's deployed, you are taken to the Kuberns dashboard. Here, I could see the app URL, track usage, view logs and build history. There is also a tab for managing environment variables, scaling, connecting databases, even pre and post deploy scripts. All of this, and I never touched a YAML file or wrote a single command. If you're spending more time configuring your deployment than building your product, maybe give Kuberns a shot. It saved me a ton of time and honestly, I didn't expect to be this smooth. Link is in the description if you want to try it out.